Hello everyone, I Shalini Guliani, Faculty BAJMC Department from Technia Institute of Advanced Study. Today I am going to deliver you a lecture on the topic kinds of media writing, and in that I will explain you right to inform. Imagine this scenario. You feel ill and you go to see a doctor. Which of the following is informing, explaining and describing type of writing? At the doctor, the describing part is if you are telling the doctor how you feel. The informing part is the doctor gives you the facts, and the explaining part is the doctor explains what a cold is and tells you a little bit more about it. These areas do tend to overlap, but you should keep in mind that information is factual, explanation is factual but with more details, and description is usually about how something makes you feel. To inform means to give facts to another person. When you write to inform, you are explaining or informing the readers about facts. It answers the basic question of 5W and 1H, that is who, what, when, where, why and how. When you are writing to inform, the writer can explain why something happens, how facts or events lead to other facts or events, describe a problem and present one or more solutions to that problem, compare and contrast two subjects. They are telling how the two subjects are. One can use, when writing about a process, you can use signal words such as first, second, third, finally, to begin, to continue, to afterwards, to finish, to start, by, next, then and last. Signal words for similarities are both, similarly, likewise, same and also etc. Signal words for differences are however, by, contrast, otherwise, different, but and while. Signal words that show cause and effect are due to, because, as a result of, therefore, because, so, consequently, for this reason, is caused by, if, then, so that, and when and then. Signal words for problems and solutions: solve, resolve, concluded, that, fix, issue, being dealt with, problem, solution, remedy and issues. When informing, you should use straightforward language to convey essential information. Example, what is involved in this job? Give the readers a bit more information. Example, what is interesting about the job and what you enjoy about it? Remember, you are giving information. Imagine that someone asks about your job because they are thinking they might like a similar one. If we talk about explaining part of writing, to explain means to make clear, show the meaning or to account for. When explaining, you should remember who you are writing to. This question doesn't give you a specific audience, so you must assume you are writing for anyone who might be interested, example parents or children. Why you are writing to them? Example, being fair is a good quality in a career, so you are writing them to tell about the career. This is all in this lecture. I hope you understand the topic kinds of media writing to inform and to persuade. This is all. Thank you so much.